Hi everybody, what we're going to do today is show you how to program a Atlas 2018-2019 Atlas garage door remote built into the car. Okay, we're going to show you how to program the garage door remote buttons, which are these buttons up here on a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. Step one is to turn the ignition on. Now, you don't need to start the engine, but you do need to turn the ignition on first. So we'll turn the ignition on. Okay, the ignition is on. Now the second step is going to be to press and hold just the button you want to program. So like I want to program number 1. So you press the button. You'll see the light start to flash orange. The next step is you're going to take your original remote control, press the button and hold it. And there, that little flashing green light tells you that it has been programmed. Now that might be it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just first of all check to see that opens the garage door. And it does. And now we're programmed.